What's up guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to fix VLC lag, black screen and most common VLC issues. I also have this issue and have been trying to solve it for some time. Let me show you. Guys, as you can see it here, it is totally lagging and there is no video.
私たちの社会は人の心理や精神状態の計測にせ
それは私の仕事ではない。銃を向けたぞ。ちょっと。
For us to do this guys, then we are going to do the following processes, so follow me. We will start with the first one. First, you will go to Tools, then Preferences. Then go to bottom of page and select all. Go to Input or Codecs and locate File Caching. You can change the value from 300 or 600 to 1000. As you can see in my case it is already changed to 1000. Then go ahead and click on Save. Now we'll move to the second setting. Open Preferences, go to Input or Codecs, Video Codecs, FFmpeg. Locate, skip the loop filter for H.264 decoding option and set it to all. After that, go to Save. Now we'll move on to the third setting. Open Preferences, then go to Input or Codecs. In Codecs, locate Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Then set it to Disable. After that just click on Save. Now we'll move to the fourth setting. Open all preferences, go to Video. Then Output Modules, you can change it to whatever you want until you find the setting that suits you. Then click on Save. So now we'll go to the fifth setting. Now go to your powered options. You can check on high performance because some high quality videos will require high CPU, so I would recommend having that checked. Then see if your issue is fixed. If not, we can move on to the next setting. If you have an integrated graphics card and an external graphics card, I would try assigning the latter to VLC, as some integrated graphics cards cannot handle some high quality videos. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, you can do it by navigating to the NVIDIA control panel and assign it. If you don't have an external graphics card like me, we can move on to the next setting. Open all preference window, go to Input or Codecs section. Then go to FFmpeg. Locate thread settings and change its value to 2. After doing that, just save and restart VLC to apply changes. Now we'll see if our issue is fixed. Guys, as you can see, it is totally not fixed. In fact, it has gotten worse after our change in settings. If you are in the same situation as I, you can check my second fix, which is an alternative to all these changes in settings.